Welcome to the Financial Room. I'm your host, Natasha Bridgmohan. Thank you so much for joining us. We're in the month of December. Woo! Couple weeks for the holidays, for those who are celebrating Christmas, Hanukkah, New Year's, or just being around the table for dinner and dining and entertainment and laughter, fun, memories, and games. Wishing you a really, really good holiday as we get into the Christmas and the New Year's and the Hanukkah spirit of giving and caring and loving. We're going to be talking about your winter home maintenance checklist, and this is very, very important. A lot of homeowners do fail to do this at all or fail to do it on time, and this can cause brutal damage to your cash flow and for your cost of maintaining your home. My philosophy is prevention is better than cure, which is really, really important. And we're going to talk about preventive maintenance and making sure that your home stays warm and cozy and your bills in terms of heating costs goes down. So tune up your heating system. Get an HVAC specialist. If you are renting your furnace, pick up the phone. The service call is free. Let them, check your system, change your filters, make sure you do air duct cleaning. That's really, really important. Seal those windows and doors because that's where the draft gets in and out. When I was younger, my parents used to always tell me, don't leave the door open, don't leave the window open. That's money flying out the door because you're making the utility companies a lot of money, where you can put money in your pocket. So seal those windows and keep, the heat in the home. Check smoke and carbon monoxide detectors. It's very, very, very important that not only that you check the life of the monitor system itself, but also the batteries must be changed even if it's working at least twice a year. So that's really, really important. And also do a service call for your alarm company. Have them do a troubleshooting test to make sure all security features such as fire, ambulance, and police are all connected with the carbon and smoke detector, which is really, really important. And clean your chimney. Very, 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 very important. Clean your chimney. Make sure that the liners and the systems are working for those that are operating through firewood burning chimneys too as well. And those gutters all need to be cleaned, which is really, really important because you don't want mold and moisture and water being backed up there. So get rid of those leaves. Get a company out there to come up and do a roof check along with a gutter check too as well. And store your outdoor furniture. Prevention is better than cure. You don't want to replace your furniture every year. Cover them. Put your cushions away in safe, contained outdoor containers that are weather resistant, which is really, really important. And switch your ceiling fan direction to the other way around. That will help with circulation, which is really also important. Stock up on winter supplies, which is really, really important. What are those winter supplies? Winter supplies are warm socks, gloves, mittens, scarves, and of course making sure that you do have roadside assistance. It is so, so important, especially when we live in a four-season country, and sometimes the weather can be very, very, very unpredictable and sometimes very, very dangerous. Make sure that you have your emergency safety kit in your vehicle and you have roadside assistance for any need of emergency that you will need to keep yourself, your family, and your children safe in that vehicle on the road. Blankets and the emergency kit too as well is also important. So remember, you also want to have fun during the holiday seasons, but all you need to do is do a checklist, and most of these things anyone can do it without special help. So pick up the phone and call us if you are in need of coming up with funds to do any major repairs, and we are here for you. And if you ever need any renovations or any legal advice for anything in regards to real estate, we are here to help you. As always, the BridgGroup of Companies is home of your financial needs and about changing lives. Remember, knowledge is power, and knowledge acquired must be shared. Enjoy the upcoming holiday seasons, and thank you once again for listening to Natasha, the president of the BridgGroup of Companies. Take care.